In this video, you will see how to use ChatGPT to translate any language to English. It's very easy. You can accurately translate any language to English language. And to do that, what you need to do is just select the text you wish to translate. For example, I'm selecting here Chinese text and copy the text. Now go to the ChatGPT and write a prompt here. The prompt will be, please translate this text to English. Give colon and then paste the Chinese or any language text and then just press enter. Now you will start to see that ChatGPT will translate the text to English. The translation are very accurate. Just one bonus tip, you can click on this copy option and when you go to the Word document, just paste it so you won't get that black background color when you copy paste from the ChatGPT. In this way, you can translate any language to English in ChatGPT. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to ChatGPT. See you again in the next one.